Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
The main theme of the day, that is our Children's Day. And to talk about this fun-filled day, may I call upon Sister Juliana to deliver the keynote.
Good morning to everyone. Respected dignitaries on the dais, all my teachers, and my dear children. Children's Day celebration is there all over the world. It began in US in 1857. Generally, it was celebrated on June 1st. However, it was celebrated on 20th of November all over the world. Turkey is the first country to declare holiday on Children's Day. In India, Children's Day was celebrated after independence in 1959. However, in India, Nehru was closely associated with children. He used to freely mix up with children. Therefore, he was called Chacha Nehru. Earlier in India, Children's Day was celebrated on November 20th. After Nehru's death in 1964, it was decided to celebrate his birthday associated with children of the nation. However, the United Nations Children's Day is November 20th even today. What did Nehru see in children of India? The answer Nehru gave is, the children of today will make the India tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country. Based on his love and respect to children, his birthday, November 14th, is celebrated as Children's Day. What is that we see in our children today? We see many things in children, but now I mention only 8 things: cheerful, honest, intelligent, loving, daring, respect, enthusiasm, noble. Cheerful. It is very pleasant to see children cheerful. They have a smile with a pleasant. Which you talk to them, their conversation is always cheerful. Honest. Whenever we talk to children, we feel that the conversation is very honest. They express themselves in a very clear way. They do anything in a very honest way. Therefore, they deserve to be loved. Intelligent. Generally, if any problem is discussed with children, they have an answer to the problem. Sometimes, one among them gives the most intelligent solution to the problem. Loving. Children among themselves love each other a lot. Their friendship also is based a lot on love. They love their teachers very much. Therefore, it makes the teachers to love them. Daring. Among children, there is no fear. They are quite daring. They are ready to face any challenges. The challenge may be in academic exercise, sports, games, and so on. Respect. Children show great respect to their teachers, parents, and others. When they bow their heads and wish their teachers, one feels very comfortable. Their respectful attitude makes others quite dignified. Enthusiastic. Children are always enthusiastic. In the beginning of the day, how enthusiastic they are is normal. For teachers, the children are the same even at the end of the day. Any sports or any teaching, children accept with the same spirit at any point of the day. Noble. Nobility is the great quality among all children. They may belong to any category. They may be from rich or poor, or upper or lower caste, and so on. But they are always noble. On this day, when we celebrate the togetherness of children, we feel extremely happy. However, I have not said anything special about the children around us, but I have given expression to what I have seen in them. If you look at the qualities I have mentioned, the first letter of each quality put together make the word children. Before I conclude, dear children, your day begins when you get up in the morning. Every day is a new day. Thank God for the new day. Think of what good you can do on this day. Do it in the best possible manner. Do it according to your ability. Ability, all of you are children with different abilities. Some may be good in studies, some may be in sports, some may be in games, some in drawing, and some in painting, and so on. Do everything according to your best of the ability. Do not compare with others. Remember the good things happened yesterday. Improve upon good things happened yesterday. Forget anything that is not good and pleasant of yesterday. Decide upon good things to be done today and tomorrow. Before I conclude, I do not compare you to anybody and say be like Nehru or Mother Teresa and so on. But my wish is that your names also may be remembered like that of Jagdish Chandra Bose, Marie Curie, and so on. Again, let me make it clear that the first three letters of the concluding 3 points make it the day. So, put together Happy Children's Day. Thank you, one and all.